Today I'm going to talk about ArConnect. So first off, I'm going to tell you a few things about myself. So my name is Marton Lederer, and I am the main developer behind ArConnect. I'm also part of the Virtual team. So yes, I am a student. I'm 17 years old. I've been in development since I've been 12. And yep, Arweave, I'm still new to Arweave, but I love it, and I'm starting to really understand how it works. So today I'm going to talk about ArConnect's achievements, our published features, and as well as upcoming ones. And I'm also going to explain what ArConnect is for anyone who doesn't know about this exciting project. So I'm going to start right with the Arweave ecosystem's big problem, the upload your key file mechanism. So as we know, the apps on Arweave need your key file in order to interact with the network. Because of this, they require you to upload your key file, not necessarily upload. You just provide with your key file, your wallet key file, so they can create transactions, smart Weave contracts, etc. And obviously, most of the perma apps on Arweave are not malicious and will probably not steal your key file. However, sharing a private key file, a private key, is essential. Not sharing a private key is essential nonetheless. So how can we allow decentralized apps to seamlessly interact with the network while not exposing our key file that might have our life savings on it? So we present to you ArConnect. And ArConnect is a browser extension that allows a secure flow of transactions or data between the network and the decentralized application, and of course the user's wallet. So ArConnect is basically a middleware. It provides a middleware that can be implemented by developers into their application. The transaction signing happens in a secure environment by the extension, so that the apps don't have to ask for the user's key file. And also, wallet key files are safely encrypted in the browser's local storage, so it doesn't get published on the web, no matter what you do. And the reason why this is even better is that ArConnect is built so that users can enjoy a Web 2 experience and a Web 3 experience in one. So you can log in with your password and allow permissions, and you can be safe with all this mechanism. So ArConnect is not just a signing client. While ArConnect is a powerful signing client, of course, this is nowhere near to its full potential. So ArConnect is the map for the PermaWeb, basically, as I'd like to say. So we are going to release a Firefox version for ArConnect 2, but right now we only support Chrome. But obviously we will try to release for all mainstream browsers, so that the users of all these major browser platforms will be able to tap into the secure PermaWeb. And obviously, as I said, ArConnect is the map to the PermaWeb, and because of these, new features are published weekly, and we have a tight schedule, and we work on coming up with more and more useful updates. And even now with ArConnect, you can manage your wallets, see your balances, your PSTs, your assets, set spending limits for applications, disable specific permissions for applications in case you don't want them to maybe create transactions. You just want to allow them to maybe see your address. You can also see what actions an application executed through ArConnect, and if they are connected to ArConnect. So you can check back basically the event log of ArConnect. Everything's logged that every interaction with your wallet is logged, so you can later see that. You can see your ArVerify verification score. You can transfer AR and PSTs, and you can also view information about PSTs. And in the upcoming weeks, ArConnect will also support swapping through PSTs directly in the extension using Virtuo, and of course, archiving any website or PDF document on our drive directly. So the ArConnect API. Signing transactions with the ArConnect API does not need any kind of third-party library or a complicated setup, because the core functionality of this extension, signing, is built in directly into Arweave.js, thanks to John Letty. And this makes integration seamless and effortless from the developer's side. And ArConnect provides a much more feature-rich API for developers in case they want extended functionality for their applications. They can request additional permissions. They can define custom names and icons for their apps. They can get the currently selected wallet's address, or the added wallet's addresses. They can access the wallet nicknames or labels that the user sets in the extension, and they can decrypt and encrypt data, and this can replace previous encryptions and decryptions with the user's key file. And this is going to be integrated in many PermaWeb applications soon. And in the future, they will even be able to test their application using sandboxing, which is really useful. So why should the apps implement ArConnect? And why should you implement it as a developer? Well, why wouldn't you? ArConnect provides a more seamless and secure experience. If you want your users to trust you, this is the final step you need to do, because you need to show the world how secure your application is. For example, ArVerify and some other dapps already fully support ArConnect. And soon even more mainstream and popular applications will use it as well. So I really encourage you and all applications to look into ArConnect and integrate it. And also, as I mentioned previously in another presentation, we are also offering 2,000 VERT tokens to each profit-sharing tokens and profit-sharing community that implements it, so they can join the secure PermaWeb as well. So if you have any ideas on how should we continue our journey, if you want to share something with us, or you just want a new feature to be added, please join our Discord or start contributing to ArConnect. It is 100% open source. And I think I'm going to show you a quick demo of ArConnect. I'm gonna switch my screen. So, as I said earlier, ArVerify already has ArConnect integrated. So I'm just going to refresh, and I'm just going to show how it works with their awesome service. So basically, you just press connect. It will just load the authentication window. You just type your password in, and you can log in. You can accept the permissions, or you can, disable one if you don't want to allow it to the website. You accept, and here you go. You're logged in. So yeah, this would be all, and thank you for your attention.